Hi everyone, it's Denise with Wondubar Crafts. I am doing the Margarete Miller collage planner. I'm pre-recording this a little early because I will be out of town next for week 3. So I'm going to go ahead and get it done now. And so this is, if you notice, I'm wearing like the same clothes. That's why. So how is everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing well. And so this one was a little strange for me, I think, because I tried to figure out like what I wanted to put in it. So it's very eclectic and all over the place with this one. So I don't know. But we'll get our pages glued in here, and then so let me go ahead and get this one glued in. I did clean out the top and put a new pin in my liquid glue. It was gopped up in there. So you know how that goes. Okay. I got a chicken that ran off to the neighbor's yard over there, and I hope she didn't, she won't come when I call chick, 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 so I don't know what's going on with her. She is down there doing something. I hope my neighbor's house is built on a cave, and part of the cave kind of extends over into my property, but you can't, it's, property's overgrown, but there's a cave that goes down underneath their house, and I hope she didn't fall down in there and try to do something crazy. Because knowing that chicken, she probably would, because she's a little crazy like that. So part of the prompts are something fast, and then lace. It can be real, photo, or illustration, a game piece, ledger paper, text in a foreign language, and something lavender. Well, I did the car and the kanji in like 2 different shades of lavender or purple. But what I thought is I would put some of this as a background and kind of scrunch it up a little bit because I like the purple. So, goodness, I wanted a much bigger piece than that, but let's just tear off a bigger piece because I kind of want to cover the page a little bit before I stick this one down. So I think the best way to do it is just to kind of glue the page. Smooth out some of that glue. I would ask how the weather is, but I'm pre-recording, so I don't know what the weather is going to be like. Because it always seems to say one thing, but, you know. It's going to be a little wrinkly, I think, but well, I have to remedy that. Little piece that's hanging off over there. And All right. So it's lavender, that's for sure. Okay, and then we'll put other background piece that came with the Margarete Miller download. I noticed I didn't always use them last time, and it's kind of like the novelty of it, yeah. All right. So, prompt, something fast. So I have a car, and I did it in lavender. It's probably going to be like overkill with the lavender. Oh well. Looks good to me. Lavender is a very pretty color. So, right. So we got a car. It says lace. It can be real or a photo or an illustration. So I think what I'm going to do is put this here, put our car there on top. But I think I want to ink a little bit of the lace to kind of brush over a little bit. Give it a not so new look. Like that. We have our car. And then it says a game piece. So I have, and it's like bright orange. This is like one of those, what is it? Gosh, what is the name of this game? I know you guys are probably yelling it to me. Like, it's, you know, got all the little bits in it with the little circular piece. Gosh, I can't think. Yeah, that. So I think I want to keep it with the questions up. Kind of like that. Right? Trivial Pursuit. That's the name of it. So, and then ledger paper. So I have a little bit here, and I thought, well, I don't want to put the whole piece on there, obviously, and then I'm flinging and hitting myself in the face with rulers. Okay. Maybe we can put another piece on the other side over there. I'm just trying not to cover up too much. I like the background on that there. Text in a foreign language. So I have a little piece of kanji here. I have no idea what it says. It was just like in one of my programs, so I'm gonna make the assumption, maybe I'm wrong for assuming, that is not bad language. Because it was in like, it was like a pre-thing in one of my graphics programs. So put it there. Looks like a little running man, doesn't it? And something lavender, which we've already got. So, and then I think what I want to do is put a piece of this ledger like over the top there. So I have some added writing space, because I have already found out that with this ledger that I made last year, or the planner, I am kind of running low on space. It's like, man, am I really that busy? Jeez. I maybe should have put that up, put this down at the bottom, but that's all right. Put it there. So as soon as I get this video done, then I'm going to finish piecing that quote together. I'm so excited. Doesn't sound like it. I really am really excited about doing it because yeah, I really took my time to try and do the directions and all that stuff, and it was fun to build. And I wanted to build something that was very simple and easy to follow instruction-wise. So, okay, I think this one we're going to need. I don't think I can put this on with that glue. I cleaned the top out on this, and it's just not. I think I need a longer pin. I need to put a bigger, longer pin on it. Well, I had it all cleared out, but apparently it doesn't look. There it goes. There it goes. I think I'm going to have to just soak that piece in some really hot water or something, because it's just not wanting to do what I need it to do, you know, coming out the tube there. But I thought I had it all cleaned out. Guess not. Back to work, girlfriend. Just kind of tack it in some spots here. It stays down. Oh, I hope that's in the camera. Yeah, it is. Okay. I didn't even think about that. I was like, ooh. All right. All right, I need a piece of paper towel. I'm going to have glue all over. Yeah, I don't think that glue sticks to fabric very well. You know. Okay. So, what do we have next? The car. Oh, let's put this piece down. A little bit thicker. I'm going to have to use a heavier glue. There we go. Okay, have to do the same with this because it's sitting on top of the lace. Oh, I thought that was glue. It's it's part of the shine of the car. I was like, what is going on there? And then on the piece of the ledger. I think I had that somewhere else and just don't remember where I had it. All right. Did we get everything? Fast, lace, game piece, ledger paper, text and foreign language, lavender all over. And then we need a number over here. The number 3. Sorry. My primary, primary school, elementary school days, middle school days coming back. You know, Count Dracula. Sorry. It probably didn't even sound anything like it. You were probably like, what is she talking about? Paper towel again. Goodness, I'm just making a bigger mess, huh? Where's that eraser? All right. Yay. I've finished this week's collage. Awesome. All right. So that is everything, guys. Thanks for hanging out. And I hope everyone's doing well. And I'm hoping to have a video. If I didn't post one in between this one and last week's, then I will definitely have one done this week, that sewing video. So anywho, guys, it's week 3. Thanks for hanging out. And until next time, plenty of hugs, loves, and blessings. Mwah. Bye, guys. Love ya.